This is the 9th standard chemistry session. Let us see test for acids and bases. It is a very important question. Listen carefully. Litmus paper, phenolphthalein, methyl orange. What are they? They are indicators. Where it is used to find out the medium or solution. Is acid or base? How it is used? If we touch the acid medium in blue litmus paper, it changes to red color. In same solution, that is in acid solution, if you add few drops of phenolphthalein, what happens? It changes to colorless. In same solution, if we add methyl orange in it, what happens? It changes to pink in color. So, what do you infer from this? Litmus paper dip panna blue color red color மாறும், phenolphthalein colorless மாறும், methyl orange pink color மாறும். So, நம்ம எடுத்திருக்கிறது acid அப்படின்னு நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். acid solution. Same indicator. The same indicator we can use in basic medium. Okay. In basic medium what happen? Red litmus changes to blue color. Phenolphthalein changes to pink color. And methyl orange is changes to yellow in color. So what you can understand from this? What you have taken is base. Okay. You take the basic solution in 3 test tube. The first tube dip the litmus paper, it changes to red to blue. In second test tube, you add phenolphthalein, it changes to pink color. In third test tube, you can add methyl orange, it changes to yellow in color. So from that, we can understand if, what we have taken means we are taken base. Okay children? Acid irunda litmus paper blue to red மாறும், phenolphthalein colorless இருக்கும், methyl orange pink color மாறும். இதே இது நம்ம base solution கையில் எடுத்திருந்தோம்னா அதுல red litmus paper dip பண்ணோம்னா blue color மாறும், phenolphthalein add பண்ணும்போது pink color மாறும், methyl orange add பண்ணோம்னா yellow color மாறும். That's all. This is very important questions. Listen carefully and study well. Okay. Thank you children. Next topic, pH scale. What is pH scale? pH scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. Hydrogen ion. When acid dissolves in water, it gives hydrogen ion. Already you know that. So, pH scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. So, is a set of numbers from 0 to 14. Acid have pH less than 7. Bases have pH greater than 7. A neutral solution has pH equal to 7. So, இதை வச்சு நம்ம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது நம்ம எடுத்திருக்கிறது வந்து ஆசிடா பேஸ் pH less 7க்கு கீழே இருந்தா ஆசிட், 7க்கு மேல இருந்தா பேஸ். ஸோ நியூட்ரல் சொல்யூஷன் இருந்தா 7க்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும். வாட்டர் இஸ் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் நியூட்ரல் சொல்யூஷன். acid, many bases already we discussed. Okay, these things you will study in detail in higher studies. Next topic, salt. What is salts? Acid plus base gives salt and water. Example for acid, hydrochloric acid, base sodium hydroxide is combined together. It gives sodium chloride plus water. Sodium chloride is a salt and then water. When salt dissolves in water, it gives ions, positive ion and negative ion. Positive ion, sodium, Na plus, negative ion, Cl minus. That is, this is cation, this is anion. Types of salts. Types of salts, there are 4 types are given in your book. That is normal salts, acid salts, basic salts and double salts. Normal salts, that is this one. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride plus water. This is normal salt. That is normal salt is obtained by complete neutralization of acid and base. This is called normal salt. Then acid salt. Acid salt means sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid gives sodium hydrogen sulfate plus water. This is called acid salt. So acid salts means what? Partial displacement of hydrogen ion of an acid by a metal. This is acid. What is the difference between this one and this one? This is H2SO4, here HSO4. Where it is? So say this hydrogen is displaced by sodium metal. Okay. So what is that? That is partial displacement of hydrogen ion of an acid by a metal. இங்கே இருக்க ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜனுக்கு பதிலாக ஒரு சோடியம் நம்ம எழுதியிருக்கோம். ஸோ ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜன் டிஸ்பிளேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்குது ஏதாவது சோடியம் மெட்டல் வச்சு. திஸ் இஸ் கால் ஆசிட் சால்ட். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் கால் ஆசிட் சால்ட். Next, basic salt. Basic salts, this is lead hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid. This is basic salt. Basic salt na BbOHCl. This is basic salts. Lead hydroxide chloride. This is basic salt. So how it is formed? This is partial replacement of hydroxide ion of a base with an acid radical. Okay, this is called basic salt. Next, double salt. What is double salt? Potassium. It is a best example for double salt. That is potassium sulfate with aluminum sulfate gives a potassium aluminum sulfate plus 12 water molecule. This is dodecahydrate. It represents the 12 water molecule present in it. This is called potassium or potassium aluminum sulfate. This salt is best example for double salt. Okay, so normal salt, acid salt, basic salts and double salts. What is normal salt? Normal salt is a complete neutralization of an acid by a base. Acid salt means partial replacement of hydrogen ion of an acid by a metal. Basic salt means that is a partial replacement of hydroxyl ion of a diacidic or triacidic base with an acid radical. Isn't it? Thank you, children.